Welcome to Coin Post. Everybody wants to know when winter time for Bitcoin is over and its price gets up. In 2018, a lot of people were waiting for this, but it didn't happen. Why? Maybe because the predictions were made about expectations only for highpoint. People were told exactly they wanted to hear. We are not going to follow this way, and we will tell you the real outlooks for 2019. Non-exclusion that we are wrong because the predictions of behavior of unregulated cryptocurrency markets is thankless nightmare. Anyway, our team has two different year scenarios. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Let's start. Good news is that Bitcoin had full price bubbles and it gives a big chance to get new high up. It will be many times higher than the previous one. It means that famous analysts could be right about price in 50, 100, 200 and more thousands. Best think that after the previous bubble in the end of 2013, the market needed 2 years to get the breakout growth phase with up to $20,000 in December 2017. Then while 2019 it was a bubble deflates and it isn't over. Theoretically, there is a possibility for market going down. That's why, at the beginning of 2019, Bitcoin could cost $1,500. Then it could move to growth phase in the middle of summer, and to the beginning of winter it could be start of new flight to the moon. There is a tiny chance that it will get the new record in 2019. There are many reasons for the market growing. At the first scenario, we relied primarily on technical review of data. Let's add enough possible fundamental factors. Enhanced opportunities, development of new technology and growing on hash rate, all these things are good, but it could not be a hit for the market because the value during the previous bubble was too high. The realization of optimistic scenario of Bitcoin's rate needs some strong factors. For example, starting of crypto platform backed or Bitcoin ETF approval. Both of these events were expected in the end of 2018, but the USA government constantly puts off timing of that decision. There are just rumors and speculation that BACT will be solved in the beginning of December, but we know exactly that Bitcoin ETF should be settled till the 27th of February. That is the last possible term which couldn't be postponed in consideration. Even approving one of these factors could give the market a good stimulation for growing. But it should not be overestimated. Through Bitcoin ETF and BACT, the members of stock market could go inside, but they are really hardly need. But it should not be overestimated. Through Bitcoin ETF and BACT, the members of stock market could go inside, but they hardly need. The crypto market in the end of winter and in the beginning of spring 2019 will be hardly ready for the race, so there will not be a high point and there will not be a transfusion of new blood. So we are now waiting flying to the moon right after BACT of Bitcoin ETF starts, but it should be a big stimulation for growing and push to the trend to $8,000 to $10,000 till summer. Then there will be a washing phase that bring an official command for boarding on the rocket to the new records in the beginning of the winter. Perhaps our outlook seems too reserved. We will be really happy if we are wrong and tomorrow Bitcoin will up to $20,000, but it's better to be realistic on any financial market. Better safe to develop a trading strategy according to the scenario of minimum daily which that have hopeless fantasies. Write your opinion about Bitcoin value in 2019. Help us to share this video with your posts, likes and subscribing. Then we could gather maximum of information about Bitcoin price. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Coin Post is the channel about cryptocurrency. Subscribe and get enlightened.